Gould Surname Meaning and History presented by COADB.com. Surname meaning: it is an English variant of the surname Gould, which is an occupational surname denoting a person who worked with gold, such as a jeweler, refiner, or gilder, or perhaps it is a nickname for a person with bright yellow hair. Alternatively, it may derive from the Old English personal name Golda, which was used throughout the Middle Ages. Early bearers included Hugo, son of Golda, in Suffolk, England in 1086 AD, Walter Gould in Derbyshire in 1165, Ralph, son of Gould, in Bedfordshire in 1193, Adam Gould in England in 1273, John Gould in Cornwall in 1297, William Gould in Yorkshire in 1370, and Richard Gould in Yorkshire in 1379. Noble titles held included the Gould Baronetcy of the City of London, which was created in the Baronetage of England in 1660 for Sir Nicholas Gould, Member of Parliament, son of John Gould of Upwey, a merchant, and the title became extinct on his death in 1664. The Gould Baronetcy of Tredegar in the County of Monmouth was created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1792 for Sir Charles Gould, an English Judge Advocate General, who was the son of King Gould of Westminister, also a judge, and he married the eldest daughter of Thomas Morgan and inherited his arms, surname, and estate, Tredegar House, in 1792, which we see here. Landed gentry included Gould of Frampton in County Glamorgan, Wales, and the family was seated at Ash Hall. Gould of Upwey in County Dorset. Baring Gould of Lew Trenchard in County Devonshire, England. Notables included Elizabeth Porter Gould, born 1848, an American poet, essayist, and suffragist who edited an early anthology of selections from Walt Whitman. Sir Henry Gould, born 1710, a judge, the son of David Gould of Sharpham Park, and grandson of Sir Henry Gould the Elder, a judge of the King's Bench. Jason Gould, born 1836, was an American railroad magnate and financial speculator who is generally identified as one of the robber barons of the Gilded Age. Sir David Gould, born 1758, was an officer in the Royal Navy. He served during the American Revolution, French Revolution, and Napoleonic Wars, eventually rising to the rank of admiral. And he was one of the Vice Admiral Horatio Nelson's band of brothers at the Battle of the Nile in 1798. And lastly, Arthur Robinson Gould, born 1857, was a United States Senator from Maine. Early settlers included Nathaniel Gould, who came to Virginia in 1620, Peter Gould, Virginia, 1622. Edward, John, and Jarvis Gould came to Massachusetts in 1635, and John, James, and Alexander Gould arrived in Maryland in 1784. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research services. Link in the description. Thank you very much.